Do you know that with little or no experience at all, you can become a social media manager? Hello, my name is Rose. I'm here to let you know that no matter your level of experience, you can build that digital skill in social media management and land yourself a dream job that can help you earn high. I'm sure we have all seen how technology has made our lives a lot easier, and we have felt the impact of this. We can now market our businesses online and get it seen by people both far and near and attract paying customers to our businesses. A lot of us lie on our beds or casually sit on the couch and post pictures, videos, buy an item online, and do a lot of things online. Most of the sites you visit online are managed by a social media manager. This social media manager creates content for that business or organization so that they can capture your attention and your interest to that site. What if I told you that you can also become a social media manager? You would love that, wouldn't you? Now, when it comes to getting your business noticed online, it requires a whole lot of work. But the good news is, getting a training on how to become a social media manager can make your work a lot easier and give you an edge in all you do. Are you wondering what you stand to benefit from becoming a social media manager? Let me list some of the benefits you stand to enjoy by becoming a social media manager. Social media management is an in-demand digital skill with diverse career opportunities in various sectors. It allows for creativity and flexibility. You will have direct impact on creating brand awareness for companies and for businesses that can help them earn higher income. Social media evolves every time, so you will get the opportunity to keep updating your skills and stay up to date with recent developments in technology. The work arrangements are also really flexible. You can either work on site, remote, or hybrid, and so many other benefits which you stand to enjoy from becoming a social media manager. As a social media manager, your responsibilities will include developing and implementing social media strategy, creating content that attract traffic or customers to that organization, engaging with followers, and a lot of other responsibilities. Are you already thinking of how you can get the best training to become a social media manager? Well, today is your lucky day. Ismaru has a partially funded scholarship on social media management where you will get to be trained on how to manage and market social media. Register now for the next batch of this scholarship training by visiting our website, our offices, or call the numbers on your screen. Hurry now and equip yourself with a digital skill today.